What's up, guys? Alright, so I just tried to use this camera, and right when I was about done, it freaking died. I only got 11 minutes on this one, so that's good. But I want to start this video off by... I'm maybe going to buy some of these. I probably won't buy them from the internet because they're only 130 bucks at Tractor Supply. But men's duck coveralls, their quilt line. You stay really warm. Well, it's really windy. Our lows have been around 20 degrees. Probably around 7 or 8 o'clock at night. I'm in, actually, if y'all didn't know, I'm in the firewood business now. I didn't tell anybody. I was going to make a video about it. But, you know, this is really going to help me in the wintertime stay warm. What do y'all think? Does anybody own a pair of these? Like, you know, tell me that. Or we'll go with this route. And tell me what you think about these. Well, they probably won't be the Arctic kind, but these right here, and then I'll put my Carhartt jacket on over. What do you think about these and then the other ones? The only thing is when I get hot or something, I can just take my jacket off. You know, I can wear like a long sleeve. But I'm gonna be up and down, you know, hopping over logs and using the chainsaw. And these are probably pretty thick too, so they can almost count as a pair of chaps. But let me know what y'all think on that. And I bought a new chainsaw sharpener, so I guess I'll show you that as well. I was passing Northern Tool Company in Stockbridge the other day, and I was like, all right, I'm stopping. Well, I've been looking for a chainsaw sharpener. And this is it. I haven't even tried it yet. It's like brand new. I just put it together. And so I will do a video on that. I heard if you got a lot of chains to sharpen, this is really going to be your best bet. Then I heard chainsaw sharpeners really don't do a good job. Well, if you got a lot of chains and they're really big, which I do, I probably have 5 or 6 for the 192. Well, both of them, and then I'll probably have 3 or 4 for the 290s. Maybe not that many. But you always need extra chains. So, and now officially in the firewood business, been working a lot today. You always have to keep your chains sharp, and that would just improve it. So I bought that. There was only $99. But anyway, so let me know what y'all think about these coveralls. They're only like 140, 150 bucks, or 130. I meant at Tractor Supply. So I'm gonna really check into that. If anybody owns a pair or anything, just tell me really how you like them. Tell me how they benefit you, and tell me any ups or downs. I mean, I've been reading reviews about them. Really want to know from y'all. And now that Google Plus is pretty well taken over YouTube, I'm pissed off about that. So put a comment below and tell me what you think about Google Plus. That'll be really funny. Take it easy.